In this video, I will show you how you can create SEO for your homepage. First of all, we navigate to online store and then we see this drop down menu. We click on preferences. Then we scroll down till you see search engine listing. First of all, we have the homepage title. And in this homepage title, you want to type in what your Shopify store is selling. My Shopify store is selling soft and cuddly. I add some adverbs to create a dynamic title. Soft and cuddly stuffed animals. And I want this to be engaging, so I click on find your favorite. And if we have place for it, I will just look here. I will drop in my Shopify store name or my brand name to create brand awareness. If you don't have place for this, you can maybe delete the engagement hook. That's up to you, what works for you. And here in the homepage meta description, we want to add a more description of what we actually are selling. And I'll just type in cuddly and soft and I add for all ages so that it's not limited, because find your favorite. And again, I add this engagement hook to create engagement. I use another word for stuffed animal. I use plush because this will also, people that search for stuffed animal might also search for plush. So that's another way to rank higher on the Google search thing. And again, I add this engagement hook right here. And after this, you can click save. You can also add a bit more. Google tends to cut off this at around 150 characters. So keep it at around 150 characters at maximum. After you click save, you can head back to your home tab and you have now created your SEO for Shopify homepage.